Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open PowerPoint and choose a template or blank file. This sets your design baseline. Begin with a title slide so viewers know the purpose, and adjust layout, fonts, and theme colors to match your brand or tone. Once done, save the file with a clear name and folder to avoid version confusion. Enabling autosave helps. You're starting with intent. That first saved slide becomes the anchor for consistent design choices as you build content. You now construct the main body by adding slides and selecting layouts that fit each idea, which keeps structure logical. Use the slide master to apply consistent headers, footers, fonts, and logos so you don't fix each slide individually. Insert images, charts, and speaker notes to communicate data and cues. Group and align objects for clean visuals. Make sure to rehearse timing and use sections to reorder content efficiently. This prevents last-minute scrambling and improves flow. You finish by running the slideshow, rehearsing timings, and checking every animation and transition to ensure smooth delivery. Export a PDF or video for sharing, and embed fonts when recipients may lack them so layout stays intact. If audio or video fails during playback, relink or embed the original files and confirm codecs and file paths. Make sure media files travel with the presentation. Finally, do a quick final save and back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.